Okay, can we do our marbling now? That would be fun. Let's get the ink in the thing and let's do a marble video. Hello everyone, this is Karen Elaine, and I just wanted to try this technique on a large piece of paper. This is sketch paper by Yasutomo, 6JM, and it's a large, it's 12 by 18. So I thought it'd be great to use this, and I cut it down to 11 by 14 because this is an 11 by 14 picture frame, the hollow frames that I just popped it out of the cardboard out, and now I have a nice little flat tray to work with. And I've got 3 marbles. You could have as many as you want. I've got a little something to hold my marbles, to pick up my marbles, and I have some Sumi ink. And today I'm going to try 2 different types. I'm going to try the black, and I also think it'd be fun to try the silver black. So I'm going to start with the black first, and I'm just going to put the ink in. I'm going to put it inside the this little, that's a lot of ink. That's probably too much. Oh well, that's okay. So now I'm going to roll them around a little bit in the inside there, and I'm going to take them out. And I didn't want to pour everything in there. I'm just going to take them out, and I'm just going to drop them on the, and I don't really care where I drop them, and I'm just going to roll them around and see what happens. That's fun. Now I'm going to pick up these and do them again until I get to the level of marks that I want. And this is kind of fun because it's very random. It's kind of going to be a really good collage paper, I think. So I'm going to try it again. This time, I notice I'm just going to put them on the edge. And in my other video that I did with Yasutomo, I had room on the edge to have just have the marbles kind of sit off to the side. And one thing about the rice paper is that it's very absorbent, and you can see these little puddles. And I think that's really fun. I'll try it again. This time I'll pick up these. And basically I just want to get a nice contrast of black and the paper being white. I'm just going to drop them right in the areas kind of where I hadn't dropped them before. And then just roll them around. Until all of the ink is off the marble, pretty much. And I'll do it again. This time I'll just put them in, same thing, I'll put them in places that I haven't put them before. And that just gives me that black area that's kind of random. And it makes it for nice high contrast. There we go. And then just do my thing. That's really fun. And now I'm going to try the silver. Now with the silver ink I need to shake it up till I hear the ball, till I hear that ball knocking around inside there. And that is going to make the silver ink or silver particles disperse in the ink. And now I'm going to take my marbles and put them in the silver infused ink. Silver black, that's the color. It's mostly black with just a little touches of silver. I have no idea what it's going to look like, but I think it'd be fun to try out. I think Jude wants to see how it looks as well. Okay, I'm going to just pop them in there. And now, ooh, that looks really cool. I'm just going to roll them around. Oh, that silver is gorgeous. Somebody else likes it. Okay, oh, gorgeous. So I'm going to keep doing that. I'm just going to pick them up, and I'll just pop them in and do the same thing like I did the first time. And oh, watch out, bud! He's got ink all over him now. Uh-oh. Wait. You're not supposed to do that. Yeah, no. So, warning, don't, if your cat likes to play, don't do this marbling technique with your cat. Okay. I'm just going to keep doing this until I get as much ink and coverage as I can get. This time I'm going to do one marble just so I have more control. And also it's a little less for my cat to grab. Oh! I'm going to have to clean his paws. Oh, fun. So if you you've got to move the paper around, or move the box rather than, that's really pretty. So I'll just keep going. Well, the cat got some ink in his paw and I had to stop and clean it up. So now he is sitting there off the side, staying away. So I'm just going to go ahead and put one marble down, and then I'm just going to do this kind of a more controlled movement, which I can get all these little swirlies, and I like that. And I'm going to try mixing this with the black just to see what I can get. But this is just a really fun way to make a high contrast collage paper. Oh, somebody's back. Gee. Okay, be good. Don't put your paw in there. Be good. Okay, so I'm going to let it soak, and then I'm just going to kind of roll it around. Oh, I like that high contrast. So does Jude. He likes it too. One thing I'm noticing, if I just quickly drop it and then move it, I don't get those big puddles. Because of the paper being so absorbent, it causes that to bleed thing, which is it could be a good thing. I'm just trying different things. But really just putting the marble in and just kind of quickly moving it gives you a much better, a little more control, or less puddles. And I like the puddles. I have an idea that I want to do with the puddles. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this little fun technique, and thanks for watching.